How to get free keys, coins, and treasure boxes. Okay, right here, you're gonna it's gonna take you to a video, and then you're gonna have to watch it. Okay, and then you're gonna open the treasure box. Money. So so you see up there, you're gonna press that. You're gonna so you're gonna press that. Then you're gonna just die. Hurry up and die. Then you're gonna go up there. This is how you get the money. So then you're gonna go down. Look at all that. See it. Connect to Facebook. Watch this. It just gave me the money. 841. And then you just gotta hurry up and press back. And yeah, guys, that was my YouTube video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you. See you guys later.